And I want to tell you that I made a free mini course for you. It's super short. It's like 20 minutes tops with a checklist, a video walkthrough of me step by step filing my own BOI report at the correct URL for free. You can open up that YouTube video, watch it yourself, and you can file your report in another tab as I go, pausing the video so you do it alongside me and get yours done for free. For free with no scams. In my checklist, I also show you some of these scam letters. And I also give you a couple additional resources if you want them. I have an article I wrote about the Corporate Transparency Act. And I'm linking you also to a podcast I recorded earlier in the year about the CTA. Okay. So if you want to get those resources that I made for you, they are totally free. And I encourage you to share them with your friends because I do not want anybody to miss the fact that there is this new law that exists because it's a $500 per day penalty if you don't do the filing, and it can be up to $10,000 and up to 2 years in jail. So let's not let that touch anybody, and let's not let any of our friends fall prey to these scammy letters that are definitely out there. All right, so share widely with your friends and get your own report in for free, and you'll be all set. You can get that at sunlighttax.com/LLC. So I'll say that one more time, sunlighttax.com/LLC. I hope that that gives you some peace of mind that this is a really easy thing that you can do. It's not hard at all to comply with this law.